Hey guys, Got Level here, and today we're going to create a new Twitch account or channel. I might make this into a step-by-step guide on how to become a Twitch streamer. Let me know if that's something you'd like to see. But for now, let's make a new Twitch account. Okay, first thing you'll do is open your favorite internet browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Go to twitch.tv and the landing page should look like this. At the top right corner, you will click on Sign Up. You will have the option to log in with Facebook, which means your account will be assigned to your Facebook email address and password. If you want to use a different email, simply fill in the form and confirm that you are not a robot. If you're a robot, please stop pretending to be human. Click Sign Up and you're almost done. Twitch will now ask you to pick 3 categories that you would like to watch. You cannot skip this step. You will now land on the For You tab. A couple of streams will be suggested depending on the categories you chose earlier. First thing I choose to do is turn on dark mode by clicking on my profile on the top right corner and ticking the dark mode box. The last step to creating your account is to verify your email address. Click on that banner at the top to receive the verification email. From there, you will simply have to click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Since we don't follow anyone yet, we will only have suggestions. So let's go to the Browse tab and follow someone. Here, I will pick Overwatch and browse through the live channels. You can also follow a game category. I will now click on the Overwatch Contenders channel. Click on the little heart, which turns green to indicate that you follow the channel. Now we're gonna go to the following page, click on channel, and here you will see the channels you follow when they are live. To access your own channel, you either type in the link in the address bar. In this case, it would be twitch.tv/getonmylevelbot, or you can click on your name at the top right corner and then click on channel. Obviously, the channel is completely empty. So that is how you can create your own Twitch account or channel. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to continue this type of tutorials as a series. The next step would be how to fully customize your channel and make it look awesome. You can follow me on Twitter for updates and more tips and tricks. Also follow me on Twitch if you want to see what an up and running channel can look like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Get Level out.